Hey everyone, welcome to the Law Society of America, where we take you inside the most shocking and talked about moments in U.S. courtrooms. Today, we are going deep into some of the most viral courtroom clips, celebrity trials, and legal reactions that had the entire internet buzzing. From jaw-dropping outbursts to controversial verdicts, we'll break down what really happened, why it went viral, and whether the law was truly followed. So grab a seat, because by the time we're done, you'll not only be entertained but you'll also understand the fascinating legal principles behind these unforgettable moments. The first viral moment we're talking about is one that made headlines around the world, the Johnny Depp vs. Amber Heard defamation trial. Millions of viewers tuned in live to watch Hollywood drama unfold in a Virginia courtroom, and social media was flooded with clips that turned ordinary testimony into viral content. One of the most memorable moments came during cross-examination, when Depp's lawyer caught Heard in a contradiction. The silence that followed her answer, the lawyer's pause, and Depp's subtle smile became instant memes. People weren't just entertained, they were fascinated by how a courtroom could feel like a live TV drama. Legally, what we witnessed was the power of cross-examination, one of the most critical tools in the U.S. legal system. A skilled lawyer can dismantle a witness's credibility simply by asking the right questions and letting the silence speak louder than words. This trial reminded the public that truth and perception are both powerful in the courtroom. Another moment that went viral was during the sentencing of a young man in a Florida courtroom. The defendant, facing years in prison, decided to insult the judge after receiving his sentence. In the clip, which spread like wildfire on TikTok and YouTube, the young man muttered an obscenity as he walked away. The judge immediately called him back, held him in contempt of court, and doubled his sentence. Social media exploded with debates. Was the judge right to react that way, or did they go too far? Legally, judges in the U.S. do have the power to issue contempt charges when someone disrespects the court. Contempt can lead to fines or jail time, and it's one of the few times a judge can punish someone instantly without a full trial. However, these moments always spark controversy because people wonder if emotion rather than law is guiding the judge's decision. In this case, the law was technically on the judge's side, but the internet jury was divided. Then we have the viral clip from a Michigan virtual court hearing during the pandemic, which millions of people still remember as one of the funniest legal moments online. A man appeared before the judge on Zoom for a suspended license case, while sitting in the driver's seat of a car. The judge stared at the screen in disbelief before asking, "Are you driving right now?" The internet went crazy. Memes and reaction videos spread instantly, and the man became a symbol of courtroom absurdity in the age of virtual hearings. Legally, this moment is a perfect example of how modern technology can create new kinds of courtroom challenges. While the man wasn't technically breaking a law by sitting in his car, it gave the impression that he was violating the spirit of his previous offense. Judges consider behavior and respect for the court as part of their overall impression of a defendant, so even a simple Zoom mistake can affect how your case is perceived. Celebrity trials have also given us endless viral moments. Take the case of rapper Tekashi 6ix9ine, whose courtroom appearances drew massive attention due to his cooperation with prosecutors in a major gang case. Clips of his testimony spread quickly. Because he named other celebrities and gang members, something that fascinated both legal watchers and pop culture fans. People outside the courtroom were shocked to see how the justice system works when someone decides to cooperate. In the U.S., this is called a plea deal or cooperation agreement, where a defendant can get a lighter sentence in exchange for testifying against others. These moments go viral because they combine celebrity drama with real, life-changing legal consequences, and they give the public a rare look at how the system balances justice with negotiation. One of the most intense viral courtroom reactions came from a double murder trial in Wisconsin. When the guilty verdict was read, the defendant screamed in anger and tried to lunge at the prosecution table. The bailiffs tackled him to the ground as the judge tried to restore order. The clip, captured by courtroom cameras, was uploaded online and shared millions of times. People were horrified and fascinated at the same time. From a legal perspective, moments like these highlight why courtrooms have strict security and why judges emphasize maintaining order. Losing control in court doesn't just make you look bad, it can also lead to additional charges like contempt or assault on an officer. Another viral favorite is when unexpected humor breaks the tension of a courtroom. In one case, a Florida judge accidentally triggered laughter across the internet when a defendant made a bizarre comment about their charges. The clip spread because it showed a rare, human side of the legal system. Judges are expected to be serious, but they're also human, and viral clips remind viewers that even in the world of law and order, unexpected moments can happen. From a psychological perspective, humor can sometimes diffuse tension, but legally, a courtroom is no joke. These moments might trend online, but the stakes for the people involved remain life-changing. What makes these viral courtroom clips so captivating is that they give ordinary people a raw, unfiltered view of the justice system. Most Americans will never set foot in a courtroom for anything more serious than jury duty, so seeing real human drama play out under the strict rules of law is fascinating. Social media amplifies this fascination by turning 30-second clips into worldwide sensations. A glance, a pause, a single sentence, anything can become a meme, and that meme can shape public perception of a trial before the jury even delivers a verdict. This raises real legal concerns about how viral content affects fairness. Judges sometimes issue gag orders or restrict filming to prevent trials from becoming media circuses, but in the smartphone era, controlling the flow of content is almost impossible. The takeaway from all these viral moments is that the courtroom is a place of both order and unpredictability. Legally, every action has consequences, and emotional reactions can change the outcome of a case. Judges hold incredible power, but they are also under public scrutiny like never before. Social media can turn a small-town case into a national spectacle in minutes. For viewers, these moments are entertaining and sometimes educational, but for the people in those courtrooms, the stakes are as high as they can be: freedom, reputation, and sometimes even life itself. So the next time you watch a viral courtroom clip, remember that behind the memes and entertainment, there are real laws, real people, and real consequences. And if you ever find yourself in a courtroom, let these viral moments teach you one key lesson: respect the process, because every word and every action can be recorded, shared, and judged by millions of people around the world. Thank you for watching the Law Society of America. If you enjoyed this deep dive into viral legal reactions, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who loves law, justice, and the human drama that unfolds in courtrooms. Comment below on which viral moment shocked you the most, and tell us if you want us to break down more celebrity trials, historic verdicts, or unbelievable courtroom moments in future videos. Until next time, remember, law isn't just about rules. It's about people, and every case tells a story.